Hi, here's a hip Tiffany Aluminum fan. I'm go ahead and turn on the temperature medium and high. I'm not able to get the light working. But the wall switch second furthest is for fan, and the furthest wall switch is dead. So maybe it was supposed to be for light. But light did not work. Only fan. The middle shade is supposed to be for down light, and the right shade is supposed to be for up light. At least one of the light bulb from downlight is fine. I don't know why it's not working. It has a very small one high, and it blows a good amount of air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.